In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove additional information in WooCommerce. We'll be doing this using a bit of custom CSS inside your WordPress site, and I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along, even if you're not very technical. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area where you manage your site. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Appearance. Hover your mouse over Appearance and a submenu will appear just to the right. From that list, click on Editor. This will open the site editor for your active theme. It might take a few seconds to load, especially if it's the first time you're opening it, so just wait until everything finishes loading before moving on. When the editor has fully loaded, look again on the left side of the screen and click on Styles. This is where you control the visual styling of your theme. After you click Styles, a new sidebar will appear on the left. In the top right corner of this new sidebar, you'll see a 3-dot More Options icon. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Additional CSS. This will open a field where you can add your own custom CSS code that applies on top of your theme's default styles. This is the area we'll use to hide the additional information section in WooCommerce. Now, in that additional CSS field, paste the exact CSS code that's provided alongside this tutorial. If you need a moment to copy it carefully, feel free to pause the video while you do that. Make sure you paste the code exactly as shown, with all the brackets and punctuation in the right place, because even a small typo can prevent the CSS from working properly. Once you've added the code, look back over to the very leftmost panel of the editor. At the bottom, you'll see a button that says something like Review One Change. This indicates that there's a pending update to your site's styling. Click that button to open a summary of the changes you're about to apply. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to review what's being changed. If everything looks good and you're happy with the new CSS you've added, click the Save button at the bottom right of that pop-up. WordPress will then apply your changes, and the additional information section in WooCommerce should no longer appear on the front end of your store.